Rizwan now.
Harris. Oh, lovely touch.
Short, it's a little bit wide. It's set up a wee bit, so it isn't a great delivery, is it? But
the Bears are back into that. And it continues, another boundary.
He's been restricted so well, whether it's by opponents or maybe even inside his own mind.